Hi guys, welcome back to Ike's video. So I'll give you a disclaimer first. This video will be a little bit different for the reason that I will break down my answer and I'll try to explain how to make my answer sounds more natural, because the key point of IELTS speaking is to be sounded as natural as the English speakers, right? So let's check it out. So the first thing first, I will answer the question related to part 1, and the question is, do you like meeting new people? And my answer will be, to be totally upfront, I'm not particularly fond of meeting new people because it drains my energy a lot. That said, due to my profession as a teacher, which obligates me to meet new different students regularly, I ought to manage myself to love it, meeting new people. I used to be totally upfront, which the meaning is similar to be honest, and I also utilized that said to convert but. So those two words are categorized as the linking word. Well, what is the linking word actually? The linking word is just like a connector that can chain our sentence to another sentence, and if we use it precisely, it will make our answer more logical and it affects our fluency. The more fluent we are, the more natural we will be. See? Just because of linking words, we are able to be considered as not only an English student, but also the English speaker. So that's the main goal of IELTS speaking, right? So let's talk more about linking words in answering part 3 question. My part 3 question is, what is the standard of being polite? So I want to start by telling you that there is no rigid rule to be followed to assess a person is polite or impolite, due to the fact that politeness experiences the different standard in every place. Let me illustrate. Doing blank loudly must be considered as impolite in some cultures, but at the same time, Japanese or Korean people considered burping as the sign of people feeling satisfied for the food they had enjoyed. In a nutshell, I might say that the standard of being polite depends on the culture, the occasion, places, and the people it is in. Let's break down the answer. In the beginning of my answer, I used the expression, so I want to start by telling you that blah 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 blah, instead of using well or on the top of that, you could also use the other linking words such as firstly, to kick off, or from the outside, to begin your answer in part 3. I bet it will impress the examiner. Come to think of it, I use let me illustrate to notify that I want to put an example in my answer, because it's part 3 guys. Don't forget to put at least an example to make our answer more comprehensive. And also I put in a nutshell to make a summary, so I think it must be clear that from the statement 1 to statement 2, statement 3, there are some kind of clues, which is the linking words that I've told you, that could make our answer more logical and more understandable by the listener and the examiner. So I think that's the end of our discussion about linking words. If there are some questions related to linking words especially, just comment below, and see you in the next video. Bye.